Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And today I will share with you 10 ways to make your kitchen look more expensive. If you are working on a kitchen renovation, planning it, or even want to upgrade your kitchen, I hope this video will give you some ideas on how you can do it. You'll look more luxurious. If you enjoyed watching and you find this video useful, be sure to give a thumbs up and click the like button. Let's start with something simple that you can implement in your existing kitchen without destroying it, repairing it, or doing anything expensive. If you have floor mats in your kitchen, perhaps in front of the sink, stove, or kitchen island, I would replace them with long runners that will occupy the entire area of your room so that your entire kitchen looks more spacious and has a more individual design. The way you can. The interior details that every designer kitchen has, the presence of different floor mats and carpeting around your kitchen can make your space a little sloppy and cheap. So opting for a large rug will really help unite your space and give it a more elegant look. You can purchase durable washable floor mats that still retain great style. But add this practicality to your kitchen so that if it gets dirty, you can throw it in the wash. Below I will provide links to some of my favorite dishes because I think every kitchen needs a good slider. Another very simple upgrade that you can do in any kitchen is to upgrade the countertop. All your functional items that you always leave on the countertop, it can be spoon stands, soap dispensers, cans, wooden spoons, everything that you want to constantly have at hand should be integrated into the design of your basic necessities that will help unite all your space, make it more tidy and organized. Even if all these necessary items are left on the countertop, all these small details can actually be used as a stylish decor in your kitchen. So cutting boards are a great thing, they are functional. But at the same time, give your kitchen is cozy. So placing them on countertops, using them as trays, or leaning against the back panel always adds style. You can replace kitchen towels with something more stylish by having stylish kitchen utensils that really fit into the overall design. Cans are a great way to store everyday products, such as tea bags, coffee beans, or coffee pods. Store them in stylish containers. It really makes a big difference. Any items that you want to put on display are of great importance.